Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling the AMX Mark 61, a French howitzer, self-propelled artillery from the 1950s. So this is the kit, and there are the two tracks. Now the first step is to remove the sprues. So there's that part, that part's ready. And then remove the sprue mark from there. And then there is that part. That part is ready as well. And then there's that part right here. Now, let's go ahead and remove these parts and clean up the sprue marks like so. There you go. Now the task is to clean up underneath this gun, this support plastic. Just start clipping away carefully, especially if you're working with the smaller scales. All right. If you pay attention to the way I'm doing it, you probably won't break it. All right, so see how that was done? So removing that support plastic underneath the gun. But we're not done. We still have this. There's that little sprue. And then there's that. All right, so that's good. That should be good as is. Of course, you can take some sanding supplies and sand under that gun if you wish. So the cutting away process is complete. Now, let's go ahead and start to glue together all of this. So the first step in gluing together is actually, let's go ahead and take some glue like this. Put it along there. There you go. And then, okay, so don't need to put glue there. That was a mistake. We're going to rub it off there so that it actually is useful. So you can see how I'm gluing that together. I'm using the surface of the table to give a good way to glue that together. And then this piece goes like that. So go ahead and put some glue like that and glue like that. And then put that piece like that. All right, so it's coming together. Up next is putting some glue here and here. And then just taking this piece and placing it like that. All right, so this is coming together. Now, take some glue here and there, and then you can take this piece. Make sure that it's going down in the correct spot. There you go. So the hull, the body of the tank, is glued together and ready for the tracks. So I always recommend to test fit the tracks first. So you can see like that. Put the tracks like that. This way front. So just put glue there, and glue along there. That should be good. And then let's go ahead and make sure it's going down the correct angle since I twisted it around. So you can see how I did that. Make sure that axle type piece is going in the center there. And then this is going like that. All right, now we're gonna go and do the other side. Some glue there, glue along the edges here. And in like manner, make sure that this is going down the correct spot. Reference that, use the table to help. All right, so this is done. There is the AMX Mark 61 French mobilized artillery piece from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.